2022 Subaru BRZ rendering concept. Since the new 2022 Subaru BRZ was revealed, in addition to styling tweaks, the new model gets a modest power boost from a larger 2.4-liter boxer 4-cylinder engine. It is a step in the right direction for the small sports car, but some people are already dreaming bigger. These renderings focus squarely on the BRZ, particularly with regards to a Racer STI variant. There are all kinds of people already thinking about such things, and now that we have some well-crafted visuals to pour over, these are not bad ideas at all. The high-performance world with a BRZ STI mock-up, but the refreshed design seems well-suited for added visual aggression. Some folks have likened the BRZ face, and this version with a gaping hood scoop certainly adds to that appeal. However, it is the subtle body kit that drops the nose and side skirts that draws attention and gives this a proper STI ambience. Plug in a turbocharger, as many people want, and this thing could be epic. Such a move would go against Subaru nimble sports car formula, but adding power with some aero tweaks and suspension upgrades can enhance that formula. The big question is whether Subaru would attempt to compete with itself by offering a BRZ STI next to the WRX STI. What do you think of 2022 Subaru BRZ rendering concept? Let us know of your comments. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to our channel for more updates. Thank you very much for watching.